Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another Jeffree Star mystery box and I'm so excited. It's come. I have already opened it this time because last time I opened it on camera, but this time I just wanted to open it off camera and really look at everything. And yeah, so I'm going to show you what I got in my box. I got the biggest one, which was the Supreme. It was $175 and there was no shipping fee, but I did have to pay £45 when it comes to the UK for customs, but that was it. It was quite expensive, but you get 10 items in there, so it's definitely worth it, I think. If you want to see what I got in my box, then carry on watching and enjoy the video. So here is my box. It's absolutely massive. The first thing that I got in my box was this Jeffree Star makeup bag. So I've already got two makeup bags from him. I've got a gold one, which is a bit smaller than this, and I've got a bigger one than this, which is a black one. But this one is from, I think it's from the cremated collection. This is black and pink and it's marble. I think it's really, really nice. It's like a kind of waterproof material, and it's actually really big inside. It's got these stars as handles and it's got a lot of space inside, so you can definitely fit like a few palettes. Usually when I use his makeup bags, I can fit in my makeup and my hair stuff and like products and stuff, so you can definitely fit a lot in them. This is really, really big. So yeah, I got this makeup bag. I of course got a clothing piece. Now I've already dropped my tea down this morning, which I'm so annoyed about because I only got the box yesterday, but I got this really cute jumper. Here, ignore the tea stain. I'm really hoping that comes out because I'm going to be gutted. But this is a large because I just feel like it would have fit me a little bit better. And I like my hoodies really baggy. So it's got Jeffree Star Cosmetics down the side of one arm. And then on the other arm, it has this cute like pink and white effect on it. And then on the front, it just has the Jeffree Star Cosmetics logo on it. And it just says Jeffree Star. So I think it's a super cute colour. It's basically just an oversized hoodie, but I really, really like it. I like the colour. I haven't got any clothes in that colour, so yeah, I'm a big fan and I'm happy with it. So next thing, I was probably most excited about this because I've wanted it for maybe about 2 years. Honestly, I've really wanted this for a long time. Not this specific one, but just in general. So I got this one, the Love Me or Love Me Not mini lipstick collection. This is the red one. It looks like this. So you've got loads of shades in here. This is actually the one that I wanted, or the nude one, because they're the most wearable shades. And if I got like the equality one, I would have liked it, but I wouldn't have been able to use any of the shades on like a daily basis because they're bright. But these ones, you know, I like a red lip, I like the darker reds, and also like the pinky shades, so these are all pretty much wearable for me. And a lot of these I was going to buy anyway, so I'm glad that I've got the mini version so I don't actually need to buy them. But I think the packaging is so cute, it's so unique, and I just, yeah, I'm well happy with them. So the next thing I got, I'm actually wearing right now. I've literally just done a video on it for Instagram, is the cremated palette. So this is the outside packaging. It's just like black and white marble with this like windowed writing, and then here is the palette. I remember when he launched this, everyone was like in two minds about it, saying, you know, it's offensive and whatever, but who cares. This is the first palette I think that he had his face on it. I don't think he's got any other palettes with his face on it, so I really like it, and I really wanted this because I just wanted to see how it worked. And I can tell you, because I've literally just used it, it's way more pigmented than I expected. Obviously when you use blacks and stuff, sometimes they're not as pigmented as you like, but this is almost too pigmented. Like when I put on the shades, they were just, yeah, you barely need to use it. So this is inside the palette. It's got this marble kind of casing on it, and then these are all the shades. This is obviously like the black and white palette, so I love like the shimmery shades. I'm wearing this one currently, and then for the darks I'm using this black, I'm using this brown and this brown, so I only use 3 of them, like browny grey kind of shade, I mean. So yeah, I'm obsessed with this palette, and I'm so glad I got a palette that I don't already have. I don't know if I'm going to buy any more mystery boxes now because I bought the Halloween one and I was super lucky to get everything that I wanted, and I've now got the Christmas one, which again, I've got everything I wanted. I've got a palette that I don't have, which is hard because I have got a lot of those palettes already. So yeah, I've been very lucky, and I feel like if I get another mystery box, I might start getting repeats of what I've got, and I'm a bit worried about that. But that was the palette that I got. I then got a mirror, and as you can see in the background, I am starting to collect the mirrors. I've got some more. This display is a bit bigger, and I've got some more up on the wall as well. But I got this one. This again is from the cremated collection, and this is black and white marble. And I'm so glad I've literally not got one thing from the cremated collection, so I'm glad I've got a few things from there. I'd be a bit gutted if I got a few things from it already and I'd got it, but yeah, I love this mirror. This is so cute. I've got like the black version of this and the orgy version of this one as well, like the kind of what's it called, like reflective kind of thing. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, so this is so cute and it's just another mirror for my collection. My eyelashes falling off. So the next few bits are all smaller bits now. One thing I got which I haven't tried yet, which I'm so happy that I got because I keep putting it in my basket but I just don't end up buying it. I don't know why, but I just not heard many reviews on it, so I was worried about buying it. But I got the Jeffree Star translucent powder, which I've just wanted for so long, but I just haven't. I don't know why I haven't got it, but I haven't. But now I've got it, so I'm really glad, and I love, love, love the packaging. So I think it's so cute. I love this like reflective kind of mirrored effect. The other thing I got now, this is a lip scrub, and I already got this one in my last mystery box, which is so frustrating because I don't know why you would put the same product in the next mystery box, knowing full well people are probably going to buy it. But I got this lip scrub, and this is Blue Raspberry Sucker. Again, love the smell, already got one, but it smells amazing. Oh, I'm just going to have another sniff of that. Wonderful. I'm not mad at it because this one is really nice, but I would have liked another flavour just to have more than one. You know, I've only got 2 lip scrubs and they're both the same flavour, so it would have been nice to try another one, but it's fine. The next thing I got was a gloss. I got one in my last mystery box, but it was a different shade. So this one is, the last one was like a pinky shade. This one, which was Candy Drip. And then in this box I got this one, which I assume is from the Orgy palette because it's got the nude lid, and this one is Body Count. This is actually really, really nice, and both of these are very wearable to me, so I'm glad I've got 2 that are very wearable. This one's, yeah, like I said, Body Count, and it's like brown with like almost gold shimmer in it, so I'm excited to try that, and I have not tried it yet, so that'll be good. And the last thing that I got in the box is the Skin Frost. Now, I've got 2 of these already. You can probably see them in the background. I've got 2 of these already, and I really like them, but I haven't bought another one. These are probably literally years old. I got them a long time ago. So this one's in the shade Sarcophagus. Sarcophagus. I don't know. Yeah, read it for yourself because I don't know what that says. But I'm not going to open it. Well, I can open it thoroughly. Well, I'll just show you that. It's all smashed in there. It's literally a mess. And I'm really gutted about that because, you know, you pay money and it's come broke. And I guess it's not his fault because, you know, whatever. But, yeah, it's smashed. So I've emailed them. I'm hoping they're going to respond. Oh, that wasn't the last thing. There's one more thing. This from the Christmas collection. A little Christmas decoration. Even though I got my box after Christmas. I got it yesterday, which was the 8th of January, so way past Christmas, but it is cute, and I've actually got like a little hook up on my wall for it, so it just hangs like that. But this is actually so cute. This is like the big mirror, and this is like the mini mirror. It's meant to be a Christmas tree decoration, obviously, but my Christmas tree's down now, so a little bit late to the party. But yeah, that is everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments down below if you preferred this video of me already knowing what I've got and showing you guys, or if you preferred my Halloween version one where I opened it on camera so I hadn't seen it, and I like opened it so you see my real reaction. So let me know which one you prefer. If I get another mystery box, which I probably will. Maybe Valentine's. I'll get another one if he's got one out then. If I've got the money. Yeah, so I'm probably going to get one then, maybe, if I've got the money. And if I do, let me know what you would prefer in the comments. So whether you want me to open it on camera or you want me to show you after I've opened it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, comment and subscribe. And I shall see you in my next one. Bye!